Like, I want mine how yours.
Like
that's
this?
How, yeah, that's how I like it. But that's just me. Some
Yeah.
Drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly, the ladies love me, that's why they in love with me, out here with the movies.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. It is December 19th. Christmas is in 6 days. 6, y'all. 6 days is Christmas. Christmas is at the back door. At the back door. I'm glad the kids are at an age where they don't want that much stuff. Like, they don't want that much stuff. And the stuff that they do want, though, I ain't gonna lie, the stuff that they do want is kind of pricey. But they don't want that much stuff. So, I mean, what can you do about it? What can you do about it? We really do got some good kids. So, I mean, my kids will get whatever they want. Okay? Period. As long as they remain good and humble, they will get whatever they want. And put God first, they will get whatever they want. Because mama and daddy work hard. Okay? I'm about to go to Ulta for Tamar. I already got the donuts. I'm about to go to Ulta for Tamar because she is doing Secret Santa. So I'm about to go get something in there for her Secret Santa. They already had like a list and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just get every girl like Ulta. Like every little girl like Ulta. Every woman like Ulta too. Because I like Ulta too now. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm being there looking for something for me too. Because I need some new lip liner. I just need some stuff. Like little girly gadget stuff. So I'm gonna go in there and get some for her. And also her chair coach. I'm gonna get something for her as well. But yeah, y'all just come on with me. Okay, just come on, let's go in and let's spend some money that we need to be spending. But we just do what we gotta do because, you know, we're parents and that's what parents do, you know, for their kids. So just come on with me. Just come on. Come on, y'all. Peace. Y'all, that girl is in there doing, must be a video. I thought she was gonna see me. She doing a video of what she bought. I don't know if y'all can see, but she doing a video of what she bought, everything she bought. Okay, girl, get that content. Get that content because if not you, then who? Okay?
Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn I know.
Y'all, this stuff smells so good. This is on my Christmas list. Everybody, it's on my Christmas list. I didn't know it was this much. Tree Hut body scrubs and oils and body washes and stuff. I did not know. Like, it is crazy. Watermelon, vanilla, coca colada, pumpkin. What they got over here? Ocean Glow, Tropic Glow, Moroccan Rose. Moroccan Rose seems like it smells real good. I'm so sorry. Gotta get the content by any means. Alright, y'all. I'm at McDonald's because your girl is hungry. I worked up an appetite at Ulta. And I end up going to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx was ridiculously packed. Y'all, today has been a day. I just dropped off Tamar's. Boy, if you don't move out my way. Shoot. Just drop off Tamar, Secret Santa and stuff. How about she gonna bring the girl out with her?
That wasn't the girl.
When I first drop it off to the school, and I had to get the stuff together, I was like, Tamar, I'm gonna get the stuff, I'm gonna bring it in, and I'm gonna put it in the bag in the office. She coming with the girl. I said, that's the girl you supposed to be giving the gift to? Oh, I forgot. I said, girl, please let her go ahead back.
Did she go back?
Yeah, she went back. She just been holding the door. I ain't even went inside. I just put it together in the car.
Well, how you get up?
And nobody asked me to do nothing again today, okay? Nobody asked me to do nothing. Period. Period. Nobody asked me to do nothing. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Alright y'all, I'm putting in the clippings in. Well, actually, I started them and then Naya got me to this point right here. Y'all, they match to the T. Huh?
I said we had the shell last night. You killed me 2 wings and some fries.
Oh, and she ate it? She ate it? When you get her a little bit, that's what she eat.
Yeah, she said, Mark, I can get some more ketchup.
She love ketchup. She love condiments.
What are you doing with the ketchup?
But yeah, y'all, it's blended perfectly with my hair. I'm about to finish up the top, flat iron it, bring it back down, and I think I am done. This is the 16 and 18 inch. I'll put the link below to Amazon. Period. Clippings girl. I'm a clippings girl. Okay, y'all, this is the hair. I want y'all to see what it's giving. Y'all can see it in the mirror. I did a bust down in the middle. It looks so natural. It doesn't hurt or anything. Y'all, I can yank on this bad boy and it doesn't move. It's not stiff. Let me see. It's not stiff at all. I am loving this, girl. Look, your girl. Let me turn y'all around. Your girl. Oh, and we zoom in. Your girl is a clipping girl now, okay? Period. I'm a clipping girl. I can do all of this right here. This is my real hair, right? This is how long my real hair is, y'all. Like this, like the top, so y'all know. It stops right there. So it blends in perfectly with this hair, y'all. Like, I am in love. I am in love. Look like a new girl. New girl, who is this? And I like this color too. This is gonna be my new 2025 color. I'm gonna go a little blonder. A little blonder, but I like this. This is cute. My little bear, my little thing. Well, it's good. Hey, it feels good. It tastes like pomegranate. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday, December 22nd. I'm opening up the vlog. Right now it is midday, y'all. It's like almost 2 o'clock. I'm about to do my makeup because me and the husband are going on a little datey date. I'll let y'all know where when we get there. I'm gonna surprise y'all like he surprised me. He can't really surprise me, y'all, because he don't know how to keep secrets, and he don't know how to hold water. Period, y'all. He just gotta tell me and let me know. So I'm gonna keep a secret for y'all, okay? I'm the one that can hold the water, so y'all ain't gonna know until we get there, okay? But we got a little date night tonight, and I'm gonna carry y'all with us, okay? About to do my makeup. Peace and love. Y'all, I am so hooked on these lashes right here. These are by I&V. They're the 3X Volume Triple Black 3D Trio for $5.99 at your nearest beauty store. They're the best, y'all. I really like them because they give me that 3D effect that I like. And all of them are, I want to say they're the same lengths. It's medium. Yeah, so I don't have to do no trying to figure it out which lash go first, which lash go second type of stuff. But yeah, y'all get y'all these lashes right here. Y'all will love them. And thank me later. I needed me a new eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencil that I had last I really like, but I just ran to Walmart real quick. I gotta get that from Ulta, I think. It's It's this little milky, no milk, it's milk. Infinity Limitless, I don't know, child. But I like this one right here. I gotta remember to get this. Again, it's by, it's just milk. I thought I saw Maybelline on there, but I didn't see Maybelline on there, child. My eyes won't be playing with me. Okay, so first I be starting off with my brows. I'll start off with my brows. Matter of fact, not even my brows. I need to go ahead and do my I use a little liner for my eyes too, y'all. I need to start off putting my lashes on. I really hate putting on lashes, but I'll just be putting them on because it gives me a different look, more dramatic look. I got some new glue, but I'm gonna just use what I got open already. I just don't like putting on lashes because it takes so dang long. Like, jeez Louise. I was that girl to get individual lashes. My daughter used to do them. But, child, it take too long. And I'm all about convenience. Okay? This right here take long, but not long as individual lashes. That bad boy be taking sometimes every bit an hour and a half. This right here, probably about 30 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes. 20 if I move fast. But I like these lashes right here though. These are one of my faves so far. Like, I tried a few of them and I think these are one of my favorites. I'm gonna stick with this one for a minute because I like these. I like the way they look on my eyes. So this is the before, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the after. We ain't about to be doing all of this recording me putting on lashes stuff, because y'all already know how that go. If y'all want to know how that go, y'all just let me know and I can do a little video for y'all, okay? 6 hours later. Only got one on, y'all, so far. Y'all, I hate when they start sticking to the thing, man. Like, what is you doing? I'm gonna stick to my eye, and then sometimes they'll come right out. See that? Coming right out. Oh, shoot. Oh, come on now. Don't be hanging up. Like to show your ass. Last, like to show your ass. I usually put some water on it so it could be not too sticky on the lash. And I usually have my cloth right here too to wipe it off. Yeah, we just on number 2. Well, we're on number 3 now. It's some damn work. The ladies gotta do 2. Not to look beautiful, child, because I look beautiful without lashes, but I'm saying. But y'all know, ladies, the shit we gotta do just to enhance our beauty. It's really an enhancement. Lashes. I like rocking my regular lashes too, because I got a good, whatchamacallit, what is that called? Mascara. This is the mascara that I use. The Bad Gal Bang. That's a pretty good one right there. Y'all can see. That's a good one. Let me put this lash on. If y'all haven't purchased this yet, y'all better get it. Okay? Don't say I ain't tell y'all. Put y'all on. Okay? This is the Healthy Skin Vitamin E and Aloe Vera lotion. It's like little capsules, and you cut them and then just put them on your skin. I just usually put it on my face and then my chest area where I get acne at. And it has been working, I must say. This little bump right here, I put it on like 2 days ago. Now it's going down. So yeah, I think it's been working. I think so. Okay, so I got my right side done. Start on the left side. The left side is always the hardest damn side to do. They always want to fight me. Like, we be fighting. We be fighting for real. Cause they don't ever want to act right on the left hand side. So yeah. Let me go struggle. Okay. Oh my goodness. Why don't you just stay? At this point, I don't even care if they don't look the same. If I ain't putting it how I put it on the side, I don't even care. As long as they ass sticking, I don't care. As long as they're sticking. I don't give a rat's booty protruding. Baby, it's over. It is what it is. It is what it's giving, and yeah, that's it. She fought me. So if it's looking crazy, then it's gonna look crazy. I might put on some shades tonight, cause you know I'm a shade girl. I wear shades at night too, not just in the sunlight. I wear shades at night. I got them bars. Got them bars. Got them bars. Got them bars. Let's do the shamar. Now, ain't nobody wrong for doing that shamar thing, but I'm gonna do it anyway though, cause shamar, I like shamar. I love shamar. So they did what? Do the shamar. You do the head, then do the, Okay, I'm done with lashes, so I'm gonna do my brows. Excuse me. I'm gonna do my brows. I already put primer and stuff in my face too. I mix the primer with that vitamin E oil. And it gives like a little matte finish. I got my brows done last year, y'all, and I must say that was the best investment that I could have do. Cause I'm just starting to get my eyebrows waxed again. I really don't have to pluck them like that. I don't know what happened when it actually got done, because I don't have to pluck them either. Just random. Sometimes at random I gotta pluck them. So let me finish my brows, okay? I don't do too much with the brows, because I don't like it looking too funky looking, too unnatural. So I'm gonna put some concealer on it, just a tad bit, and come back. Brows. Lashes, done. Alright y'all, just finished my makeup and toss some beans in this neck bone, because I'm doing lima bean and rice. If you know, you know.
You can put a $100 on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me stamp on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them I'm style, put my gang on it. Cause my skin is up on my bang on it. Lele oh, Tobalo macho, yeah. Tobalo macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro kachoro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If he not dead, then he come tomatoes. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh can put 100 grand on it.
Can't get the shoes. You go get
No, you can't get the shoes. No. I'm about to switch pocketbooks from this one to this one.
Wait, what?
I'm gonna switch pocketbooks from this to this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then I might put on some sneakers too, because we're gonna be doing some walking. You can't do too much with this, okay? Peace.
It is too important. Nobody like you do. I can't when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
You're right.
The way bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one.
Say night.
Yeah, that's the little candles today.
I guess so. I guess them probably is the battery operated. Them the battery operated ones. Yo, I changed my shoes and I'm glad I changed my shoe. As y'all can see, we are at Nights of 1,000 Candles at Brook Green Garden. It is crazy packed. We always come here, but we ain't never been here when this thing been this packed. And
What's
I'm
up, bro?
glad
I made it through.
that I changed my shoes to sneakers.
I'm going to I got you. Got fries. I might get some fries, bro.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
We get the she crab soup from here, right?
Yes.
Okay, can I get an order of she crab soup?
Got it. Anything else for you guys?
And I think he just said he tight already, y'all. He tight. Let's cheers.
Double vision.
Thank you for date night.
You're welcome. Hey.
This might have me tight. It's Prosecco. It's yours too. Oh, I'm glad I brought my covers. They need to have it on. They sitting right by the heater.
Right by
That's
the
where we
heater.
need to be at. So we should have one at by the heater.
Hopefully they didn't move.
Right. And he said he got a little appetizer. And it's my little she crab soup.
How you doing? Hey, what's going on?
Can't fool with AJ, child, because he the lightweight.
Try to tear up.
You're lightweight. I gotta find a bathroom. The restroom. Right quick, because I gotta use the bathroom. I'm already down, but right there, I got to go. That's my phone. She told him she glad I cooked the lima bean. Boy, my drink was full. Yours was half full. And I'm still on mine, so whatever. That's Prosecco. You gotta watch Prosecco. You gotta tread lightly. It's so right. Yes, it is bricky. Let me get a picture. Can I get a picture? Man, why you bumping into me? Stop. Okay, you want me to slow down? Okay, let me slow down. All right, I'll slow down. Hey, gosh. You already get tipsy. You can't even make it, yeah. Rainy Pavilion. That is so pretty.
How you doing? You doing all right?
Sitting chilling, honey. Sitting chilling. What is it? Lynn Gainway. Derek Warner. It's cold out here, bro. It's cold. Oh, look at this, Asia. This is beautiful. Wow, Anne's garden. Are they real candles or are they real candles? Yeah, I thought they'd been fake. Like battery operated. I thought it'd been battery operated, yeah. Y'all, Asia is acting up. Asia is acting an ass. Can't give him nothing to drink, child, in the public. Warmy. It is warmy. That's a beautiful tree. Yeah, it's beautiful. You doing? Whew. Oh, it feels so good in here. Yes, it does. Oh, look at this. It's pretty. Oh, look at this. Yeah. Look at that. JJ will love that.
Oh yeah.
He will love it.
As a kid, we knew Santa.
Right. Right. Always got a place to visit in your mind. Look at this. This looks like Harry Potter. Vegetable. Y'all. The old pavilion. That is so cool. That was thoughtful. Okay. Oh my gosh. Like you gotta really, I really gotta slow down and take it in.
I mean, late night.
Wow.
Oh.
It took so much work. I know it took them a lot of damn doing right here. You're all right, but I know it took a lot. This is beautiful.
It light bill high this month.
How did light bill be high in these things? Oh yeah, well I guess those.
It's right somewhere.
But everything else is like candles. So remember us coming this way? Summertime. Look at that, man. Oh, wow. 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 Oh, this part the kids would probably like. They probably would have loved this. Wow. This is magical. Magical. No, this is crazy. This is crazy. Like, so dope.
Tree lighting, 6:45. So where we at?
The brownstone.
Yeah, brown sculpture. So we gotta go. We're at the brown sculpture. We gotta go right here.
Where are you looking? They're not.
530 pounds of cranberries.
cranberry down there, right?
Yeah. I'll get a bite.
That's a lot.
530 pounds. Okay. All right. So once we get there, we'll be right by it.
Right by it.
Okay. All right, y'all. We still trying to find the tree lighting area. Yeah, it gotta be. Oh, somebody right here to help, probably. You think? I think so. Hello, tree lighting. All right, we found it. Thank you. We found it. Yay. That's a pretty picture right there, too. I ain't gonna lie. If you don't stop. Crazy butt. So where the tree at?
It's over there. You don't move, boy.
We're waiting for the candle, not the candle, the tree light. We're waiting for the tree lighting.
Like, hey. 2025. Hey.
Alright, you better keep still. You better keep still. You know you cold.
2025.
Yeah, so that's the tree, y'all. I tell you, AJ, we can leave after this. I don't give a damn. It's cold. Get all of us.
About our tree to 65 feet tall.
65 feet tall.
7,600 bulbs of light on this one tree.
She said 7,000? Jeez. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That is nice. I sure like you know where it is. Everybody's leaving, y'all. Everybody's going out. It is almost 9 o'clock. And this is actually the time that it's over. It was nice. We enjoyed ourselves. But it's too cold. It's cold, right?
Yes.
It's freezing.
It's cold.
It's freezing.
Definitely cold.
So cold. Like really cold. We just been talking about how the homeless people, like we feel so sorry for like homeless people around here because it's cold.
37 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold, man. It's too cold for people to be out here in these streets. Don't have blankets. Oh, that's a house agent right there. That's must be what they're talking about, huh? Yeah. But yeah, y'all. Good night. Peace and love.